For your writer's workshop today, I want you to use everything we've been learning about persuasive writing and how to convince someone to have your opinion in a persuasive way. Read the situation above. Mrs. Tingley has ordered a decree that there may be no more candy given out on Valentine's Day. She thinks that only vegetables and fruits can be given as gifts. Write a persuasive writing to convince Mrs. Tingley that you should be allowed to give out candy or not give out candy on Valentine's Day. So go ahead and write that below. Make sure you use many examples to support your opinion. Think about all of the objections that I might say. Like, well, people eat too much candy. What would your argument be? Or, candy has too much sugar. How can you argue with that? Go ahead and write your writing below and try to convince me, and we'll see if you can.